You guys, I think I just found my new favorite jewelry brand. Welcome to my channel. My name is Christina and I'm going to be covering a lot of wedding content because I just got engaged. So excited for this journey. I'm so excited to bring you guys along. So in addition to the travel vlogs, fashion hauls, normal videos, we're gonna be filming some wedding content. So if you have any suggestions or questions, please leave them in the comments. With that being said, I am thrilled to reveal some new engagement rings from Angara and talk style with you guys. If you want to check them out, I'm gonna link everything in the description below, and you can also use my coupon code for a discount. I am so excited about this unboxing. Angara just sent me a few of their new engagement ring styles. They each capture their own unique aesthetic, and I have been dying to try them on. Like, they are so beautiful. First of all, this packaging is stunning. It feels super luxurious and gift ready, and everything comes with a certificate of authenticity, which I love. Look at that sparkle. This jewelry is handcrafted. The craftsmanship is so clean and elegant, and it feels weighty and premium, not like anything mass produced. So gorgeous. One thing I love about Angara is how much value you get. The quality is seriously exceptional. Like, it is so beautiful. They offer that Fifth Avenue level fine jewelry for a fraction of the price. Shopping on Angara's website is also so fun. They let you completely customize your jewelry. You can pick the gemstone, the metal, the carat weight, even the quality of the stone. This is the kind of jewelry that you can wear now and hand down later. It's truly meant to last. On top of that, you get free express shipping, free 60-day returns, free engraving and resizing if you're shopping rings, and they even offer a lifetime warranty. So whether you're gifting for someone else or just treating yourself, there's something at every budget and for every style. Okay, so one thing I've been noticing lately is how engagement ring trends are really shifting. People are leaning into more personalized and meaningful designs, and Angara is definitely ahead of that curve. So there's classic solitaires like the one that Wes got for me, and they are obviously always timeless, but now I'm seeing a lot more vintage inspired details, and honestly, I'm obsessed. This one I'm wearing, it's customizable down to the gemstone quality and the metal, so you can make it totally your own. Oh, this is literally so stunning and so beautiful. This is their reimagined classic. You get that clean, timeless vibe, but with a twist. This one has a pear-shaped lab-grown diamond that sits at an angle. It's flanked by a curved shank and a trail of pave set lab-grown diamond accents. This is so beautiful. This one's my favorite. It has that gorgeous handcrafted 14 karat yellow gold, which is my personal favorite. And it literally shows that timeless doesn't have to be traditional. This one here is from their bold bezel trend. This is the East-West oval and pear lab grown diamond 3-stone engagement ring. So these ones are for the statement makers. Think wide bands, larger center stones, east-west settings. It's all designed to stand out, but in this really bold and sculptural way. This ring also has the 14 karat yellow gold, and it showcases an east-west oval lab-grown diamond, bezel set in a sleek sculpted frame. To complete the 3-stone look, there are sideways pear lab-grown diamonds, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. The tapered shank and low-profile gallery highlight the ring's contemporary design. And here we have the off-centered pear lab-grown diamond engagement ring with scattered accents. So this is their delicate minimalist. It's so refined and romantic. So this one features scattered round lab-grown diamonds accenting a larger pear lab-grown diamond, and it is so gorgeous. This is also 14 karat yellow gold, and it's just a classic piece. So you have to think about the fact that people want rings that feel like them and aren't just trendy, especially for engagement. It's so important to like look down at your hand and see that ring and just be like, oh my gosh, this is so me. I could wear this forever. Like, it's a really important emotional piece. And I really feel like Angara nails the balance of like elegance, uniqueness, and even longevity with their styles. Whether going for a bold bezel moment, something romantic, delicate, and reimagined classics, it's giving luxury energy, but modern and also, remember, ethical. Honestly, it's not just about the look of the ring. It's the story behind it and the fact that you get to be a part of something so special. With Angara, you can choose one of the styles on there, and you can completely customize it and design something that you love. And especially something that lasts forever. I love that. I honestly didn't expect to love these pieces as much as I do, but Angara really delivered. Like, I've never even seen this before. I opened this up and put this ring on and was like, oh my gosh, I am obsessed. So from the quality, the customization, the price, it really checks every box. I'll definitely be adding more to my collection. I know you guys know which one my favorite is. Obviously this one, but which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. So whether you're looking to surprise her with the perfect engagement ring, or if you're shopping around and want to send this video to him, I really hope that it helps, and I really hope you get some amazing ideas for your proposal. So if you want to check them out, I linked everything I'm wearing in the description below. Actually, these earrings are from them too, so I'm gonna link them below. And you can even use my code for a discount. So let me know in the comments, what is your engagement ring style? I'm curious. Obviously, I'm a classy solitaire type of girl because I'm obsessed with my engagement ring, but are you more into classic solitaires, the bold bezels, or the delicate, elegant designs? I'm really curious to know what your go-to is. All right, please subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this. As I said before, I'm gonna have a lot more wedding content coming up, including our search for our venue in Cabo. So if you're looking for a destination wedding or just wanna like see how the wedding planning process goes, subscribe, turn those notifications on, and you can see the whole journey along the way. We're at the beginning, so you're in for a ride. It's gonna be fun. Stressful, but fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day or evening, whatever time it is for you. Bye!